How to install WordPress on Hostinger. I'm going to show you how to easily set up and install WordPress using Hostinger. Hello, I'm Abdul-wasi, and I share different tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to improve your business and also make money online. So if you are new to this channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we install WordPress, the first thing we need is an hosting platform, and the hosting platform is Hostinger. So this is Hostinger's website. I'm going to put the link in the description below, so you make sure you click the link to check it out. So once you arrive at Hostinger's website, all you have to do is just to click on Start Now. Then it's going to take you to all the plans that are available. So you can see we have the single shared hosting, we have the premium, business, and cloud. So it depends on what you want. So all you just have to do is just to look at the option. So if you are going to use single shared hosting, it means that you can only use one website, then with one email, then you have a limited bandwidth of 100 gig, and you have your free SSL certificate. Then for the premium, you have unlimited number of websites, which means that you can even decide to host your friend's website if you want. And you can see also unlimited email accounts, unlimited bandwidth, WordPress acceleration. It means that when you install WordPress, your WordPress website is going to be faster than when you install WordPress on a single shared hosting. Then you can see free SSL certificate and domain. If you can see SSL certificate, this is what SSL certificate means. If I click this padlock button now, you can see connection is secured. It means that this website has an SSL certificate. So you can see the certificate here is valid. So that's what SSL certificate is. Then if you are going for business shared hosting, so this is the price and these are the features. So it depends on what you want, but what I usually recommend most of the time is for you to go for either premium or business. So let's assume we want to go for premium. So all you just have to do is just to click on add to cart. Then you choose the duration that you want for your hosting. So if you want 1 month, 12 months, 24 or 48. So the higher the duration, the more you save. So you can see, so for 48 months, this is the price you pay for 48 months. So once you pick your duration, the next thing you need to do is to create your account. So you type in your email address, or you can decide to log in with either Facebook or Google, or I don't know what this is. Then select payment plan. If you want to use credit card or your PayPal or your coin payment, if you want to use your Bitcoin or whatever, if you want to pay with Google, so you can decide to use any of that. And then if you can see here, you can see SSL certificate, which is free. Then domain name, you also get a domain name for free. Then this setup too, you also get it for free. So once that is done, then you make your payment. You'll be able to arrive at your hosting panel. So this is the hosting panel. So what you just have to do is just to click on manage in front of your website. So after clicking on manage, what you just have to do is just to scroll down to the place where you can see auto installer. So what you just have to do is just to click on it. After clicking on auto installer, then you can see WordPress here. So what you just have to do is just to click on WordPress. This is where you are going to fill in your details. So you put in your username, you put in the password that you want to use. So the username and the password you put is what you are going to use to log in into your WordPress website. Then you put in your email and also your website title. So once you fill all that, all you just need to do is just to click on install. So I will do that now. So after you install WordPress, if you go to your domain name, this is what you are going to see. This is how your WordPress website is going to look like. So then the next thing you need to do is to start editing this website. So to edit the website, all you just have to do is just to type in the name of your website, then you put in front of it /WP -admin. So once you tap enter, you should arrive at this page. So this is the page where you are going to type in your username and the password. So the username and the password you typed in before you install the WordPress in your Hostinger's website. So that's what you are going to type in right here. So let me just fill this in. Then we'll get into our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress website. So all you just have to do is just to start editing it. So if you look at the sidebar here, there are different things here. So let me quickly explain this. So this post is where you are going to put in your blog post, anything you want to write about. This is where you are going to type. So if you want to create a post, all you just have to do is just click on add new. So this is media. If you want to add pictures, you click on library, or you click on add new to add pictures. So pages, this is a page. So this is like the home page of this website. So this is the page. If you want to edit it, I'll still show you how to do that. Then all this you can just play around with this. But one of the most important thing is this, your themes. So you can see appearance, then go to themes. So there are so many themes on WordPress. So you can pick any of the theme that you like. So these are themes. And but if you don't like any of all these themes, you can also buy things from other websites. You download it, then you click on add new to upload a theme. So any theme you download, you can decide to upload it right here. Then you will see changes into your website. So right now you can see this is 2020 theme. So that's the theme that the website is currently using, because we're in 2020 obviously. Then this is online website, online business. So this is a theme. These are different themes. So you can decide to pick any theme that you want. So let me just assume I want to install this kitchen theme, for example. So if I install it, you will see the way the website is going to change right now. So that's how simple and how fast it is to install a WordPress website. So now the theme is already installed. So if I click on activate now, you will see how it's going to change. So now the theme is already installed and activated. So if I come here now and I reload the website, you will see the way it is going to change right now. So you can see the way the website is now. So that's the power of a theme. So that's what theme can do. If you want to learn in-depth tutorial on how to use your website to create a blog, you can click somewhere around here to watch the video. I've created a video on how to create a blog using WordPress. So let's go back to our dashboard. Then this is menus. If you want to edit, if you want to change the menu, this is where the menu is. So you can see we have on the menu, we have the home and sample page. You can edit that right there. Then this is plugins. Plugins is just like the parts that you add together to make your website look the way you want. So that's what plugins is. So if you want to collect people's details, if you want people to send you message on your website, there are plugins for that, like Contact Form 7. You can use Contact Form 7 to collect people's details. Or maybe you want people to send you message, you can use that plugin. There are so many other plugins that you can use. You can install Page Builder, just like Elementor, to edit your page just the way you want. So if you want to install plugin, all you just have to do is just to click on add new. But in order not to make the video too long, you can check it out. So these are users, very simple. If you want to add more people to your WordPress website to help you manage it, you can do that right here. So then one thing you need to know is this. You need to go to, for every website, you need to go to settings, then go to permalinks. So this permalink is very good for SEO, and I will show you the reason why. Because in permalink, you can decide to change the way your link is going to look like. So let's say this is the name of the website, and this is how it's going to look like for each of all this. So you can see this one has 1, 2, 3, 2020, but I don't want any number to be in this. So the best thing for you to use is just to use the post name. So when you click on post name, the next thing you just need to do is just to click on save changes. So once you are done with that, all the pages on your website will have the title of that page, or if it is a blog post, it will have the title of that post, which makes it easier for search engines to locate your page and understand what your page is all about. Then you can see Lightspeed Cache. What this Lightspeed Cache does is just to make your website faster. So that's one of the added advantage of using Hostinger. And part of the criteria for getting high rank is your website to load very fast. So that's all I'm going to explain in this tutorial for today. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.